Hi everybody, it's me again. Welcome back. Today I decided I was going to do another spin art, but I wanted to use this egg cartoon to try something that I thought about. So I'm going to just pour different colors into the area where the eggs were. And I'm still using the colors I've been using because the paint just isn't finishing in the cups. So I still have the pink, the blue, the orange, the gray. And I'm gonna add some of that bronze that you see in front of the egg carton right there. So we're just gonna pour all of these into the egg carton. And the canvas is already on the spin machine. And by the way, I got a new spin machine. A friend of mine built me one with a box fan instead, so it can handle larger canvases than the other one, and it doesn't shift and move like the other one. So hopefully this will do a much better job than the other one I had. So I am grateful to my friend for doing this for me. So let's just see what happens here. One of the things I want everyone to know, I do different things on this channel. My main reason for this channel is to show people who want to become artists, but they doubt themselves. You second guess yourself and then you compare yourself to other people. What I really want to do here is show a different number of things that you can do. And hopefully someone watching this will find a niche and be able to say, oh, okay, maybe I'm a spin artist, or maybe I'm a pour artist, or maybe I do portraits or abstract painting. So that's the reason why I do several different types, because I just want to encourage those out there who may be struggling or who may not think their art is good enough. All I want to say to you guys is to keep trying, keep doing it day after day, keep doing it, and eventually you'll get good, you'll be good, and you're probably good right now anyway. So here we're gonna go pour it onto the canvas. So see my new spin art machine, it's with a box fan. I have a bigger space and hopefully it works. But what I did here, you guys, I did not put enough paint in the egg carton. And I only discovered that after I poured it, which was too late to go back and get some more. So I had to make do with what was in there. And another thing I discovered, the paint didn't flow out as easily as I thought it would. So I just had to kind of wing it and work with what I had. Which, as you can see, I probably needed more paint on the canvas right there, but that's okay. We'll see. You'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to try my machine. See, there it is. And it has 3 different speeds. I can do it kind of slow and I can do it really fast. So it just depends on what I want to achieve. So there you go. You see it spinning. And it's doing much better than the last one that I had, because the last one I had, when I put a canvas on it, it slowed down the, how fast it would spin. So that didn't really work very well for me. So let's take a look and see what happens. So there I had to add more paint because, like I said before, I didn't have enough paint to begin with. So I put some more bronze and blue and silver. And for some reason, I never saw the pink that I put. And maybe it's because it wasn't nearly enough pink that I put on there. So note to you guys, when you try to do something like this and you use the egg carton, make sure you fill it up. Fill the paint to the top of the edges so that you'll have enough when you pour it. And you won't have to be doing what I'm doing right now. So I put that there, and I think what I decided to do this time was to up the speed. I'm going to put it on a faster speed to see, see how fast the paint will spread. So yes, I think that's the blue. For some reason, the bronze came out strong in this one. The bronze and the black, of course, like I said before, whenever you put black on one of these paintings, it dominates the painting. So if you look, you'll see how fast it spins, much faster than it did before. I think this is the fastest speed I put it on here. So yeah, so see, that's kind of what I was aiming for. So it did a really good job, but it makes a loud clicking sound, but that's okay, it'll be all right. So I let it spin for a while, and I cut it off because I didn't want you guys to just sit and watch this thing spin. I know that could be boring. So I stopped it there. That was after it had been spinning for quite a while. And I think we're almost done. Yeah, this is the finished product. This is what it ended up looking like at the end. I try to get a close-up on this one so you can see how the colors. And see, like I said, I don't see any pink at all. And then I hardly see some blue. Well, there's some blue, but the blue, see, you mostly see the black and the bronze and the white that I put in. So just when you're mixing these, just be mindful of these things and make sure you have enough paint in the egg carton next time. So this is coming down to the end of this video, you guys. So I am so grateful that you guys have watched this video, and I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, I post every Tuesday and every Saturday. Okay, you guys have a good one. Bye.